Welcome to our beginner's guide to essential data tools. Today, we're going to introduce you to popular tools like SQL, Python, and data visualization software, such as Tableau and Power BI. These tools will help you analyze and explore data from different sources, making your work more efficient and informed. First, let's talk about SQL Structured Query Language. It's a widely used standard language for interacting with databases. It allows you to write queries to retrieve, update, and manipulate data. SQL is great for those who want to interact with raw data from sources like Excel or Google Sheets. There are numerous online resources, like this one from Pluralsight, to help you learn and practice SQL. Next up is Python. It's a popular programming language that's great for data science and machine learning. With its vast ecosystem of libraries and tools, it's an excellent choice for those looking to work with clean data from APIS or other sources. Numerous online courses and tutorials are available to help you learn Python, such as this one from Coursera. Finally, let's discuss data visualization software like Tableau and Power BI. These tools allow you to turn your data insights into visually appealing reports and dashboards. Tableau is a great option for those who want to create interactive, custom visualizations, while Power BI is better suited for those who need to create automations and Power Packs. Both tools offer extensive tutorials and resources to help you get started. In summary, familiarize yourself with SQL, Python, and data visualization software like Tableau or Power BI. These tools will greatly enhance your ability to analyze and explore data, making your work more efficient and informed. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing!